Cisco HyperFlex delivers complete hyperconvergence, seamlessly combining network, compute, and an innovative data platform to simplify infrastructure. Only Cisco offers you the perfect combination of compute, network, and storage for your individual requirements. Purchase what you need, not what the vendor is selling. We offer hyperconverged, compute-only, and graphics capability in the right form factors to meet the most exacting desktop virtualization requirements. VMware ESXi 6 and Horizon 7 running on Cisco HyperFlex HX data platform combine to deliver industry-leading virtual desktop end-user experience with baseline response times of less than 1 second. Cisco HX data platform is a scale-out architecture maximizing storage efficiency through deduplication and compression. A native distributed file system optimizes data protection through n-way mirroring and component redundancy using a combination of class-leading hardware and software. The HyperFlex architecture allows you to start with as few as 3 nodes. The HX data platform software installs in minutes. Add compute-only or hyperconverged nodes as you need them. You can scale compute independently from storage. As you expand, the HX data platform automatically rebalances your data across cluster capacity. You can retire older servers from your cluster non-disruptively. Administrative node removal is handled via command line since it is a rare operation. Node removal from failure is mitigated by redundant data copies and system rebalance. A key advantage for Cisco HyperFlex is our integration into VMware's vCenter web client. It provides vCenter administrators with the ability to administer HyperFlex clusters with virtually no learning curve. The HyperFlex plugin for vCenter is automatically installed during cluster deployment. Clicking the HyperFlex vCenter cluster in the navigation pane provides access to the Cisco HyperFlex system in the action pane. Click the HyperFlex system name to manage the cluster. Let's take a look at how easy it is to manage data stores for HyperFlex. In the Actions pane, click the Manage tab. In the Data Store sub-tab, click the Stack Disk, Create Data Store icon. Enter your data store name and the size you want to provision in gigabytes or terabytes, then click OK. In a matter of seconds, your new data store is provisioned and mounted on all nodes in your HyperFlex cluster. Click the Summary tab at the top of the Actions pane to see the cluster status details and real-time performance data presented in a single pane of glass. Next, let's create a HyperFlex native snapshot of our VDI desktop master image. To accomplish this important prerequisite for creating Horizon 7 instant clones, expand your cluster. Right-click your VDI master image, scroll to the bottom of the action flyout to click Cisco HX Data Platform, then click Snapshot Now. Provide a name for the snapshot, an optional description, and click OK to create your HyperFlex native snapshot. Now let's take a look at the instant clone pool creation. From Horizon Administrator, select the Desktop Pools node in the navigation page and click Add in the action pane. Click Next to create an automated desktop pool. Select Floating Assignment, then click Next. Select Instant Clones, click the vCenter server, then click Next. Provide your desktop pool ID, display name, and select your access group. Click Next to continue. Change the default display protocol to BLAST. Then click Next. Provide a seed naming pattern. Set your maximum and powered-on machine counts, then click Next. Click Browse to select your default image and snapshot. Your virtual machine location, and the resource settings. Click Next to continue. To configure guest customization, browse to the Active Directory OU that will host the Instant Clone virtual machines, then click Next. To finish the deployment, review the provided inputs. Click the Entitle Users checkbox at the top right corner to set up user access, then click Finish. Click Add and browse to the user group who will be given access to the virtual desktop pool. Click OK, then click Close. To see the properties of the newly created Instant Clone Pool, double-click the pool name. Your desktop pool is ready for use. The 1,000 Instant Clone Horizon 7 virtual desktops provisioned in 20 minutes. In this chart, we are seeing a graphic representation of the storage performance of an 8-node HyperFlex HX220C M4 cluster from boot on the far left to cooldown to login VSI Knowledge Worker benchmark ramp-up, steady state, and logout. This chart provides detailed information about read, write, and aggregate IOPS, throughput and latency, and is available to HyperFlex administrators in real time as their VDI workload is running. At the conclusion of the test, the Login VSI Analyzer reports a successful 1,000 user benchmark result. End user experience is excellent, with baseline response time of 657 milliseconds and average response time of 724 milliseconds, well below 1 second. The Login VSI Analyzer chart illustrates outstanding end-user response from the first user logon to the 1,000th user. This response time performance is 3x better than some hyperconverged competitors. As a recap, Cisco HyperFlex provides a complete hyperconverged suite, supporting both hyperconverged and compute-only nodes. Our management integration into the vCenter web client ensures that vCenter administrators can easily manage HyperFlex in a well-known interface. Horizon virtual desktops provide excellent end-user response times, almost 3 times faster than some leading competitors. Only Cisco provides the flexibility to integrate a variety of compute and storage roles, all managed seamlessly by Cisco UCS Manager. To learn more about deploying your VMware Horizon virtual desktop solution, visit us at www.cisco.com/go/hyperflex.